So a real fun little session. I'm going to call this Common Architecture, and let's just see whether we can figure out what NetApp, VMware and LogLogic have in common. Every single one of these basically provides a ubiquitous platform to allow you to create flexible pooling. The classic one that we all know and love was VMware, and they draw the picture something like this. Mr. Customer, did you realize that you only got 6% utilization on your servers? Well, if you put a VMM on place, you can now get 80% utilization. So we plate this in some sort of cloud, and you have your application or use case, create an SLA into it, drop it onto it, and it works, and it's all magic. So that was great. That's exactly what they did. So basically the IT group realized that if you look at it, boutique and high performance is trumped always by optimization and reuse. Storage, same thing, which is, Mr. Customer, did you realize that you have all these disparate systems? Well, the best thing you want to do is put yourself a really good operating system on top, and you know what, we'll call this Waffle, which is the NetApp code for it. Have this as a NAS or a SAN, and you create yourself a virtual storage pool, and we'll call this a virtual CPU pool. And so that was basically the first couple of pieces of the stack. And in fact, if you think about it, you've got your network stack, Ethernet standardized, and then you basically have your storage stack, standardized NAS or SAN, and then you basically have your server stack, standardized with VMware, and then you have your data stack. And the way that we would draw this is the same thing. Mr. Customer, did you realize that you have multiple source devices, and your problem is that you don't get much reuse? If you have something in the middle and you vacuum it in and you create this into a pool, and then multiple users can, or recipients can be of use of it, and it doesn't matter whether it's the SOC or the NOC or forensics or IT or HR, everybody can take use of it, and that's a virtual data pool. So, what do we have in common? VMware, I think, starts the trend with consolidation, and the next move up was NetApp, and EMC, same thing, and LogLogic. It's the platform, and this is what we're doing right now. Thank you.